This is the presentation for JIRA Software. My name is Camilo Jimenez. So, well, JIRA is a management tool that it's basically used for managing the process of making software, but it can be used in any kind of project because it is flexible and it can be adapted to any needs. This software was created by an Australian company that it's called Atlassian, and it was created back in 2002. It has been changed a lot since it was created, and right now we have a reliable solution that it's widely used in software companies. One of the main characteristics of this software is that it's integrated with agile methodologies, especially with Scrum. You will see. The main use of Jira is the management of software development projects, as I mentioned before. But it can be used for bugs tracking too when there are errors or bugs that are found in the quality process. It can be used for requirement management in the very beginning of a project, and it can be used in the quality process because it allows test cases management, and it has many more options that you can discover later. Common terms in Jira and in agile methodologies. For example, we have a project in the context of Jira. It's a collection of issues that must be resolved in a time frame. Then we have a sprint, which is this time frame in which a bunch of issues have to be resolved. Usually in Scrum, sprint takes 2 or 3 weeks. Then we have an epic, which is a large body of issues that have something in common. It can be seen like a mini project inside the main project. We have a user story, which is a feature or problem that needs to be fixed. It is written in a personal way, so it is easy to understand for all the stakeholders. Then we have subtasks that are the steps taken to resolve or create a user story. And we have bugs that are all the errors or mistakes that people can commit during the process of making software. Let's see software in action. Okay, this is Jira in action. This is the main screen of Jira, but first here if you click on projects, you will have all the projects that you have. I just created this one for testing. I will click on it, and then the main thing in Jira is this board in which you have these columns that represent all the statutes and phases of making software. You can create as many columns as you need in your project. Here we have the title of the sprint. A sprint is the framework in which all these tasks have to be completed. It's usually 2 or 3 weeks. Here, each of these cards are a user story. If you click on it, you will see that this is written as a feature. As a user, I need the menu to be interactive and then the explanation of why you need this to be developed. You have the menu, the title, sorry, and here you have the child issues or subtasks. All of these have to be completed in order to complete this main activity. Each of these subtasks or mini tasks can be assigned to people in our project. For example, this one is assigned to John Doe, but you can change it to me, or you can change it to any more people added in the project. For default, all starting to do, and if you start working on it, you can change this to in progress. You can see you can do in each of these. And then when you finish, you will change to done. Every time that you change the status here, the person involved or the people involved, they will receive email notifications. This is really good for visibility and for traceability. Once all of these are done, you can change the status of the user story to done, and this will update automatically this board. This is good because everyone who has access to this board will see all these changes in real time, and they will receive an email just in case they are not aware. You can do this same progression just here, dragging and dropping, and it will change automatically this status. You can change this one here. The main thing of this one is visibility. Everyone knows what is happening right now in the project. When you finish all this, you can say that you can finish the sprint. You just click on complete the sprint and it will close this time frame. So you can start a new one and continue with the agile methodology. Another important thing here, if you complete, it will create a lot of metrics for the project management. Here I cannot show you, but the main thing of JIRA is that it creates a lot of metrics, but this can be explored in further videos. Thank you. Okay, that was a brief explanation of JIRA. There are many more features that you can explore further if you want, and thanks for your time.